Alright, so right now I'm at Narita Airport in Tokyo for my connection flight between Singapore and Portland. And guess who I found? Shiva! And Masa-san!
Konnichiwa.
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 Feels are finally here. It finally feels like Cardistry Con is happening.
I did not expect him when I was messing up with the toilet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw on your Insta story that you were playing with the bidet.
Oh bro, I had to change my pants, bro. I'm not kidding.
Oh no. Wet.
Cardistry Con, man.
Yeah.
It's me all day. It's gonna be wild, man.
Yeah, this year.
500 people. Like, I think after the con, you're gonna be like, 200 people like, oh, you were there.
Oh no.
Why didn't you came to the con? Like, bro, I was right next to you.
Yeah. You were in the video. What are you talking about?
Okay, this guy was at the con? This deck feels really amazing, man. The way it looks.
Damn, Shivraj.
You wanna see some magic?
Yes, I would love to see some. Nani? You? Any move, Masa-san. Shivraj, what are you doing here? What angle, bro? What the heck? Why are we sitting together?
I have no idea, man. I have no fucking clue.
Oh my god. Alright, and here we are. We are at Portland! Woo! Woo! Yeah, we're gonna get an Uber, we're gonna get to our places. Shivraj is staying at the official location. You guys have to figure that out if you want to stalk him down.
Yeah. Just a clue, we live in a society.
We live in a society in this. Masa-san is going to settle some other stuff, and I am heading over to my Airbnb where I will be meeting the Patreon guys. I'm very excited for that. Bye bye, bye Masa-san. Shivraj, let's get our Uber.
Always never forget, this is cool.
Okay, Shivraj, I'm heading off. I'll see you later or tomorrow.
Alright, man. See you then.
Uncle, thank you very much for everything.
No problem.
Thank you. Alright, thank you so much.
Gold.
Okay, bye bye. Alright, so this is the place we're staying at. It looks pretty nice. Apparently there's some kind of digital lock system that I can trigger, but I couldn't get the system to work, so let's see how this works. I'll leave my luggage here. You guys help me remember in case the luggage goes missing, alright? I was trying to pull it downwards to push this door, but that's not how it works. You pull it down and you push this door and it opens up. Very nice. This is heavy. And hopefully, if I got it right. Yes, very nice. Alright, so here's the living room area. It's this couch here, this couch here. The place has some food stuff. I guess a full functioning stove. Let's take a look at what's here. A queen size bed for two of us to sleep in. Very nice. And yeah, that's the whole location. This place is a little bit smaller than I expected, but looks very nice. Alright guys, so that's it. That's our little tour of our location. In a moment I'll take out all the cards and set up to display the cards and let the patrons get whatever they want to get before the rest of the guys get in. Also, I'm going to go set up my Wi-Fi stuff. So yeah, see you guys in a moment. Nice, got the Wi-Fi working. Everything seems good to go. Oh. Under this layer of clothing and under this layer of clothing, it's an epic one gross of playing cards. For this event, we brought over some Cardistry Con Edition playing cards. A various assortment of GDCMs, COSIs, Primevals, SOC V2s. And a butt ton of Broken Balls 2019. I'm really excited to bring it to the con. So, I was walking around Chinatown and guess what I found? No Chinese people, but buy a concert! Hey!
Damn.
So yeah, Barry's gonna check out the convention location.
Exactly, gonna see where it is before it starts.
Yeah, gotta know where it is.
Yeah.
I need to find Louis Vuitton, so. Louis Vuitton! Right now we're in the Portland main city area. Yeah, it looks nice and fancy and stuff. Obviously, I had to go and get something very important to me. Coke Zero. Coke Zero. I got myself Coke Zero. I like it. It's delicious. Yeah, Michael! Oliver! What's up?
What are you doing here, man?
I know, I just got some Subway, that's all. How about you guys? What are you looking for?
We are looking for people to film.
Oh yeah?
Can we film you?
Yeah, of course.
Hey, it's Jaspas! Oh my god!
They're right here, and you are here too!
Hey guys, you're watching the vlog!
Bye, Michael! Yes, we are watching the vlog.
Oliver would be proud.
Yes, he would. Ladislaus!
What's up?
Dude, I've been finding Cardis all over Portland.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Here I am.
the fifth person I found so
Yeah?
far.
When did you arrive?
Bye! Oh my gosh. What are the odds? What are the odds? Alright guys, so it's already the next day. I edited the entire vlog that you just watched on my iPad. It's the only solution that I have for traveling while editing. But the whole process was super duper fun. Today, however, we are going to be meeting a legendary Cardistry hero. This man was also the competitor that I faced in my final round of the World Cardistry Championships, Mr. Andrew Avila. So I'm really excited to meet him. We've been talking about meeting for almost 4 years now, but it has always not been in the cards until today. So I'm really very excited about that. Also, today, 3 of the patrons from the Patreon gang are finally gonna reach Portland and finally gonna be here in the house of NDO. I can't wait to meet them. And while we're at it, let me draw a shout out to some of our patrons. Shout out to the amazing Royce Koo, Camden Cronhouse, Lucas Gilmore, Corbin Reeve, Andreas Gar, Troy Howell, and Sebastian Gopoxil. They and the other patrons on our Patreon are the awesome guys that help keep the show running. So if you want to support the show and also get tons of benefits while doing it, please go check out our Patreon. Until next time guys, it's me, your online brother, Jaspas Deck, and I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye bye.